So I wanted to do an update for my latest experiment using an Instapot to sterilize grain jars for creating mushroom grain spawn. And this was going to be update to the experiment of the using the three different types of grains, popcorn, millet, and amaranth. But in some ways, this is kind of the conclusion because we actually have a clear winner. Anybody want to guess which one is winning by a long shot? Popcorn. Check that out. Holy cow. Now, just for comparison, millet was my standard go-to happy thing. Oh, that's not it. I reversed them. But yeah, I'm seeing some good growth there. This actually just sort of popped into being in the last few days. Again, it's been a little over a week, and but it's still got some spots it hasn't gotten to yet. It looks very kind of wispy and not fantastic in some areas. In the amaranth, again, just in the last day, I just started seeing something, but I'm only seeing like a little bit of the mycelium starting to develop. So this is definitely in last place. Millet is caught up in the last couple days, but man, this popcorn has looked fantastic for days now. I mean, it has looked pretty filled out. So yeah. So the question is this still better? Just because it looks like it's filled out, is this better? Because, if there's less surface area, because if we're talking about bigger grains, then we're talking about a total, a total less smaller amount of surface area that the mycelium has to grow across. So while this looks like it filled out faster, does that mean it's ready to be put into a bulk substrate? Is it truly going to be better, or did it just colonize faster? And does that actually make a difference? Well, I'm not sure. We'll have to actually spawn this out to a bulk substrate and see. But I will have to call for this experiment. Popcorn was definitely the winner if you're just looking for, total total time it takes to actually create a full jar of spawn. So that was definitely an interesting experiment. I definitely love to hear your thoughts below. I know a lot of people have been suggesting popcorn to me for a long time, and man, do I wish I had listened to you sooner. But I am now, or my wife was when she went out shopping today. She bought me a big thing of popcorn. So I'll be doing a lot more popcorn jars in the future because this looks pretty good. I'm pretty excited about that. So be looking forward to lots more because I'll be doing lots more mushroom videos in the future. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. I would love to if you gave this video a thumbs up. And I'd love to hear your thoughts below, as I said, about this comparison. But again, popcorn, millet, meh. Amaranth, meh. I mean, not too bad. There's some actually interesting development there. But anyway, so popcorn seems to be the winner. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, thank you for joining me on this mushroom journey. Bye-bye.